Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Beyond Words. I'm Carol.
And I'm John. Guys, today we are talking about your morning routine.
Yes, sometimes your morning is very fast. You have no time. Sometimes you have a long time to relax. So today, our characters David and Sarah will show us 5 different morning stories.
We will read the stories and explain the easy English words they use. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel right now to help us out. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's not waste any time. Story number 1.
Story number 1. David and Sarah work in a big office, but today they wake up very late. They're in their bedroom. Listen.
Oh no, it is 7:30.
Wake up, David. We are late.
I need to take a fast shower.
I will make the coffee.
Do not make breakfast. We have no time.
Okay, grab your bag. Let's go.
Wow, very fast. Sarah says, "We are late." Late means you do not have time. David says he needs a fast shower.
Sarah says, grab your bag. Grab means to take something quickly with your hand. Now they run to the train station.
The train is so full today.
I know, rush hour is the worst.
Look, the train is here. Let's get on.
Good luck finding a seat.
I will just stand by the door.
Hold on tight.
Sarah says, rush hour is the worst. Guys, please remember this word. Rush hour is the time in the morning when everyone goes to work.
David says, let's get on. We use get on for the train or the bus. Sarah says, hold on tight because the train moves fast and David is standing up.
Finally, they arrive at the office building.
The elevator is broken.
Oh no, we are on the 5th floor.
We have to take the stairs.
I cannot run in these shoes.
Take your time. I will go first.
Tell the boss I'm coming.
The elevator is broken, so David says we have to take the stairs. The stairs are the steps you walk up.
And Sarah is wearing work shoes. She says, I cannot run in these shoes. So David tells her, take your time. This means go slow. Do not hurry.
Story number 2. It is Tuesday morning. David and Sarah are working from home today. They're in the kitchen.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I love working from home.
Me too. I'm making eggs for breakfast.
That smells great. I just want tea.
Look at you. You are still wearing pajamas.
Of course, pajamas are so comfortable.
This is a very peaceful morning. David says, did you sleep well? This is a perfect, polite question for the morning.
And Sarah is wearing her pajamas. Pajamas are the soft clothes you wear in bed. When you work from home, you can wear pajamas.
Now it is time to start working.
Did you log on to your computer yet?
Not yet. I'm drinking my tea first.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have to read many emails.
Okay, I'm going to sit at my desk.
Have a good day at work, David.
David asks, did you log on to your computer yet? Log on is a computer verb. It means to turn on the machine, put in your password, and start working.
David says he is going to his desk. Your desk is the table where you work. A very easy, short morning. Okay, time for story number 3. This one is very different. David and Sarah are nurses at a hospital.
It is 7:30 in the morning, but they are going home to sleep. They're leaving the hospital building.
What a long night shift.
I'm so tired. My feet hurt a lot.
Working all night is very hard.
I just want to take off my shoes.
Where did you park your car?
It is right over there.
David says, what a long night shift. A shift is your time at work. A night shift means working all night while the city sleeps.
Sarah says, my feet hurt a lot. She wants to take off her shoes. Take off means to remove. Now they are walking to their cars in the parking lot.
The sun is so bright this morning.
I need to wear my sunglasses.
Are you going straight to bed?
Yes, I'm going to sleep all day.
Drive home safely, Sarah.
Thanks, David.
David asks, are you going straight to bed? Straight to bed means you will not eat breakfast. You will go in the house and go to sleep immediately.
Sarah is driving her car home. She is alone in the car talking to herself.
There is so much traffic. Everyone is going to work, but I'm going to sleep. I just need a hot shower first. Almost home. Just one more street. Okay, time to park the car.
Sarah says there's so much traffic. Traffic means many cars on the road because it is rush hour for the other people.
Finally, Sarah is in her bedroom.
My bed looks so comfortable. I need to close the curtains. The room must be very dark. Let me turn off my phone alarm. I will wake up at 4 o'clock. Good night, morning world.
Sarah says, I need to close the curtains. Curtains are the cloth covers for your windows. When you sleep in the morning, you need the curtains closed to stop the sun.
She turns off her alarm and says, "Good night, morning world."
Okay, story number 4. This story is very fast.
Because it is 5 a.m. and they do not want to talk. David is at home, his alarm clock is ringing.
Wake up, David. It is 5 o'clock.
It is so dark outside. I want to sleep.
Come on, we have to go to the gym.
Okay. Where are my sports shoes?
They are by the door. Put them on.
We need to warm up before we run.
David says, it is so dark outside. When the sun is not awake yet, it is dark. He does not want to leave his bed.
But Sarah tells him to find his sports shoes and put them on. Remember, we take off shoes and we put on shoes.
David says, we need to warm up. Warm up means to move your body slowly before you run fast. A very fast morning story. Okay, finally, the best story. Story number 5 is very long and relaxing. It is Saturday morning. Nobody has to work. They are in the bedroom.
Good morning. What time is it?
It is almost 11 o'clock.
Wow, we really slept in today.
I know, it's the best feeling.
I am very hungry now.
Me too. Let's get dressed.
David says, I am very hungry now. Me too. Let's get dressed. David says, we really slept in today. Guys, sleep in is a wonderful phrase. It means you do not use an alarm clock. You sleep until your body is ready to wake up.
Now they are deciding what to eat.
Do you want breakfast or lunch?
Neither. Let's go eat a big brunch.
Oh, I love brunch. Pancakes and eggs?
Yes, and a big cup of coffee.
Where should we go eat?
Let's go to that new cafe on the corner.
Sarah uses a very important cultural word. She says, let's go eat a big brunch.
Brunch is a mix of two words, breakfast and lunch. If you wake up at 11 a.m., it is too late for breakfast but too early for lunch, so you eat brunch.
They are walking on the street.
The weather is beautiful today,
Look, the cafe is open.
and there are tables outside.
Let's sit in the sun.
Good idea. I'm starving.
Me too. Let's look at the menu.
David says, I am starving. Starving is a strong word for hungry. It means I need to eat food now. They sit down and talk to the waiter.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I will have the eggs and toast, please.
And I will have the pancakes.
Excellent. And to drink?
2 black coffees, please.
Coming right up.
David says, I will have the eggs. Please remember, do not say, I want the eggs. Say, I will have. It is very polite for a restaurant.
And the waiter says, coming right up. This means I will bring it to you very fast. They're eating their food now.
This coffee is amazing.
These pancakes are so sweet.
Are you going to work today?
No way. Let's be lazy today.
I agree. Here's the money for the food.
Leave a tip for the waiter.
Sarah says, let's be lazy today. Lazy means you do not want to work or clean the house. You just want to sit and relax.
And Sarah says, leave a tip. A tip is a little extra money you give to the waiter to say thank you for good service. Wow, 5 different morning stories.
Think about all the new words you learned today. Rush hour, log on, take off, sleep in, brunch.
You can use these words tomorrow. When you talk to your friends or your teacher, try to explain your morning using these simple phrases.
Do not be afraid to practice. English is just a tool for your life. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try.
Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you to David and Sarah for sharing their very different mornings.
Thank you guys. If you liked this video, please write a comment below. What is your morning routine? Are you a fast morning person or a slow morning person? Tell us.
Until next time, keep trying, keep practicing, and keep learning English beyond words. Bye, guys. Have a great morning.